Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I have 2018-19 Spectra basketball. I did not pre-order this because I'm just not crazy about the rookie class. I know some people are, people that are really more in the know about basketball than I am. But I just was really in love with that 17-18 class, and to me this class just doesn't show those, I don't know, signs of brilliance, whatever. But the other reason was price. These boxes cost an arm and a leg. But, and I wanted to pass this along to you guys, you can get these boxes on eBay for a good $50 cheaper than on the card websites. And I'm not kidding. It was $50 cheaper. Maybe even more. So if this is something you've been thinking about spending up for and had hesitated because it costs so much on Blowout, DA, and whatnot, go to eBay. I don't know why it's so much cheaper there, but there were 2 to 3 sellers that had it. Maybe they're just competing with each other on price to get rid of their boxes, and that's why it's so much cheaper. I'm not entirely sure, but I had to let you guys know that. So if you're planning on buying one of these, go to eBay first. Don't waste your money on the card size. Alright, there are 8 cards in this box, 4 autos, 1 mem, and I guess the other will be like base and parallel cards or whatever. Obviously, I'm hoping to pull a Luka, maybe Trae Young. I'm not real crazy about the rest, so we'll see. So this is going to be short and sweet, or short and painful AF. One or the other is about to happen. There's that, which you've probably, let's see if I can get it, which you've probably seen by now. 135 card set, 100 base, numbered to 175, 35 rookie jersey autographs, numbered to 299. And then there are just a complete spectrum rainbow of colors. There it is. One pack only. Ugh, hang on. Stop giving me trouble, you stupid box. I really didn't think I was gonna buy this, and then when I saw that I could get it so much cheaper, I decided to go ahead and bite the bullet. Alright, I don't know how these are lined up in here, so we're just gonna do it like this one. Well, I guess like this. There's a Miratic base card. There's the numbering to 175. I don't know if you can see it in this lot. There it is. So there's that. Card 1. Card number 2 is a Blake Griffin, and this is like a hollow silver or whatever. Not numbered. It just says Prism on the back. I don't see a number. So that's card number 2. So there should be one more card that's not an auto or mem card. Well, we're going into the mem cards anyways. There's Isaiah Thomas. That is a little 3-color, I guess part of a letter, jersey letter. This is numbered out of nothing. Oh wait, there it is. Hang on. 25. It's over here in the corner. So, Epic Legends, Prism Green. Good looking piece right there. Really nice. To 25. Let's see. Next up is Ronnie Sakali. I don't even know who this is. Out of 60. And that is Icon's autograph. That is a sticker auto. Looks to be like a blue scope parallel. Definitely a nice card. Since I don't know basketball like I know the other sports, I don't know if this is like a vet. I don't recognize that name at all. From Syracuse is all it says. Okay. Next up is, if I can get it out of here. I can't even pronounce this, but it's numbered out of 10. Illustrious Legends. Wally Zazerbach. This is an on-card auto. Gold. There's gold on them there heels. So far, not so great. 3 hits so far. I mean, the Isaiah Thomas looks good, and I mean that is a gold, but still. Eh. All right, Wendell Carter Jr. At a 75, Rising Star signature. And I'm not liking what I see next. It's I already peeked. It's a redemption. Let's see who it is. Valued collector. Omari Spellman. Rookie jersey autograph. So I think it's not like, that's all it says, so I assume it's the base rookie jersey autograph, which was numbered out of what, $2.99, I think. I think it's funny they make the redemption on thick stock like the cards. So there's that. And Jordan Clarkson, blue scope something, I guess, to 75. Wow, this was a stinky ass box. Woof. I'm so glad I did not pay full price for this. Maybe those sellers are selling it at a discount because it's hard to get rid of at the full price. I mean, I'm sure some people are getting some crazy sick stuff out of Spectra, as they always do, but wow, that was pretty brutal. And a freaking redemption to boot. Yikes. So just the card game. You win some, you lose some. Alright, thanks for watching. That was Spectra Basketball 18-19. It hurt. It hurt a lot, but I'll press on. Thanks for watching. Everybody take care.